Start charging. Start cleaning the mop pad. Start charging. Start cleaning the mop pad.
Like that, in an ending loop. Seems like Xiaomi is a piece of shit.